Yeah, Louis knows because he's coming Saturday. I mean, I totally appreciate the $200 to do, but.
Are you guys almost done?
I don't want to be that full favor, but I manage this building and they all call me. Well, I mean, it's 7 o'clock's a lot. Huh? Thanks. I didn't hear you. The whole building calls me because I'm the manager. So, I mean, it's 7 o'clock, man, right here. You know this, the Seattle.gov noise abatement construction issue? I mean, you know about them. I don't want to be the jerk, but what it says here, because you're this close to us, it's 7 o'clock.
Okay.
I don't care if you guys are over here, but the whole like 8, 8:30, like 8:45, like one night, it's just too late. There's a guy in that building over there that goes to bed at 5:30 in the evening because he gets up at 2 in the morning.
Okay.
So just be flexible, we'll work together.